Matthew, will you please tell me about your experience with the nightmare sound systems in your warehouse?
Yes, obviously in the beginning we actually had a major problem with all the birds running in the warehouse, and working with food that is definitely not allowed. And after introducing these units, there was a massive difference. In fact, this morning I actually took a walk in the warehouse and I could see that there's only a couple of birds here and there, but definitely a great improvement. I will say almost 90% at this stage, so there was a vast improvement and we're quite happy at this stage.